Aniya ang Tagaytay Festival Queen.
Maayong hapon, probinsya sa Sugbo. Ako si Lisa Corazon Pilapilaren, 24 anyos, nagrepresenta sa Dagay Festival, gikan sa Sambuan. A breathtaking tribute to the nature's lifeblood, the water. This is inspired by the waterfall, and this ensemble embraces integrity and power. The body shimmers just like the sun reflects on the water, and how the crystal reflects on this river sparkles. The skirt as well combines with the blue and white fabrics, showcasing how the water echoes from the mountain up to the sea, each layer moving just like how the water falls. And all in all, this signifies the resemblance of life, mainly coming from the water. Then again, all the way from the place where it does not only flow with water, but also with the love from its people, municipality of Sambuan.
Gikan sa lungsod